Everyone needs healthy sleep. Have you ever considered that we spend approximately 1/3 of our lives sleeping? A good night's sleep is an absolute necessity. Just like proper nutrition and exercise, healthy sleep is essential for your health and well-being. Obstructive sleep apnea, or OSA, is a very common condition where your upper airway undergoes certain changes. It may narrow, limiting airflow as you breathe. It may vibrate, commonly heard as snoring, or it may collapse, causing you to stop breathing. This is called an apnea. Your airway may even move through all 3 stages. You may experience one or more of a range of symptoms: snoring, excessive daytime sleepiness, irritability, morning headaches, impaired memory, depression, reduced sex drive, and restless sleep. By far the most common and easily identified symptom is snoring.
I snored quite a bit and experienced sleep disturbances around every minute and a half. That sleeping ritual not only kept me awake, but my wife as well. And now I would recommend anyone who snores to get a sleep test.
If you have sleep apnea, not only do you snore, you periodically and repetitively stop breathing during your sleep, sometimes for as long as a minute. The effects on your body build up night after night, year after year. Recent research shows that snoring and sleep apnea are associated with many serious conditions. Left untreated, they are a contributing risk factor in high blood pressure, heart attack, stroke, diabetes, and depression. More than 35% of all people with sleep apnea suffer from high blood pressure, increasing their risk of heart disease. Significantly, 83% of people who continue to suffer from high blood pressure despite taking 3 or more drugs also have sleep apnea. Almost 70% of people who've had a stroke have sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is also associated with a high frequency of type 2 diabetes and impaired glucose tolerance. Sleep apnea affects not just your sleep, but your waking life too.
I was always tired. The kind of tiredness you don't have any control over. And I had to take breaks to get a nap just to continue on through the day. I was really struggling to do my job.
If you don't get enough sleep through the night, you could fall asleep anytime, anywhere during the day, putting you at risk of a serious accident. In fact, people with sleep apnea are 7 times more likely to have a car accident. Here's the good news. There is effective treatment for sleep apnea. Positive airway pressure therapy helps hundreds of thousands of people all over the world get healthier sleep, minimizing their risk of developing associated diseases.
I had a heart attack at the age of 56. Since being treated, my life has really changed. And the doctor says it's a relief to my heart. It sure is crazy what little sleep can do.
Treating your condition should help you feel more energetic, leading to a more active lifestyle, which is essential for fitness and weight loss, all part of the cycle of a healthy life. The benefits of healthy sleep extend to your working life as well.
I became concerned when I felt my productivity decreasing. It was more difficult to stay focused and concentrate on the main issues. Since being treated, my productivity has improved, my stress levels are better controlled, I feel better, and I am clearly more effective.
The first step is assessing your sleep. Typically, an overnight sleep study at a sleep clinic helps your physician or sleep specialist diagnose whether you have sleep apnea. You may also be able to do a simple screening test in the comfort of your own home. Modern technology and clinical expertise make it easy to detect and treat sleep apnea. For more information on treatment options, speak with your sleep health professional or visit resmed.com. Remember, a healthy life does depend on healthy sleep.